What's going down, my peeps? If you want some, come get some. What that means is you gotta stop fucking around with the idea that you can't. If you fucking want it, go get the fucking shit. If you want some, go get some. If you want some, come get some. Whatever the fuck you want to say, the bottom line is this shit is at your fingertips. The fact that you think that you can't is the root of the fucking problem. You absolutely can. You can do whatever the fuck you choose to do. Most people, they get derailed by the first fucking step. If you want some, go get some. But you gotta have the fucking nuts to take the first fucking step. Don't be some little fucking bitch who loves to talk about everything he wants to do, but doesn't have the fucking balls to put your fucking toe on the goddamn line and fucking give it a go. You hear me talk all the time. If you don't fucking quit, and you truly don't quit, you will not fucking fail. You fail when you're a little fucking bitch and you don't get your fucking ass off the ground when you get your ass handed to you. There's nothing wrong with a fucking good ass whipping. There's nothing wrong with getting your ass kicked. There's nothing wrong with straight up fucking not fucking getting the job done. As long as you'll fucking get up and do it again and do it right and get the job done. Everybody has those fucking days, has those moments, has those episodes where shit just doesn't fucking work out. But it's fucking-K. If you want some, go fucking get some. Have the fucking nuts to take the first fucking step. And secondly, have the fucking nuts to get the fuck off the ground if you get your ass kicked and fucking do it again. And that, my peeps, is what it's all